work, but at the moment it's with Drua. Lovely ball away, Robert Talmonda, and he's in for another one. Marcy, this supremely talented young centre, makes it a double, and a chance to level it up again.
Simbi.
A special brand of rugby, an exciting new rivalry. Brings the line up, Rabobo. Taken in the tackle by Daniel Mabu. Intricate ball right, lovely ball in the fullback. Ross Sese. Out to Mane, the try score. They're going in again. It's a try in day 45. Yourself, massive. Get out of here, are you serious? Armstrong with a volley. They're going to score another. Yes, they are. Yourself or Massey. And he gets two. How good was that? A really good general, does a lot of tidying up work, but at the moment it's with the Drua. Lovely ball away, Robert Talmonda. He's in for another one. Massey, their supremely talented young centre, makes it a double and a chance to level it up again.
Kanabara at the back, comes from Ramulo and Marcy, and a run attack on the Sublime in the air. Wonderful cutting set. Fiji and Drua start the second half.
Now they might look to go wide. Coming forward, out to Marcy. Marcy getting it up the ball. Well, they want to have a look at this one. Apparently Momo, did he get it down in time?
I can confirm he's not in touch. Award the try.
Thank you. That's a beautiful try for the Drua. They're passing in these conditions to still play with that width. Ball out in front. Beats the scrum inside the Force red zone. There's a little kick through. Marcy, yes, he's over. Try time. Two of the Drua. Crowd love it. That's one way to get them on the feet in the rain in Lautoka. Marcy. The ball on the inside was an absolute gem. What about that? Mitchell, that was outstanding. Beautiful ball on the inside. Test match is still his name. Sends it high to Kenzie. Good contest for the ball. But it's the Fiji draw through Yourself or Massey. He's going to have too much pace. And he scores the opening try.
Just picks it up out of that scoop. And away he goes. He doesn't need much invitation to that try line.
Now Armstrong with a volley. They're going to score another. Yes, they are. Yourself or Massey. He gets two.
How good was that?
Defense has been pretty good tonight. They've got plenty of looks. The Drua close to the line. Short. Morale. Marcy. The inside was an absolute gem. And what about that? Mitchell, that was outstanding. Beautiful ball on the inside. Gets stopped about 7-8 out. Now Marcy. Marcy is done through. Yourself or Marcy hits back for the Drua. 2 last week, 1 this week, 12 already in his short career in the Drua jersey. That is a world-class footballer, Yourself or Marcy. Womani goes to the right, throws the dummy, gets a pass away to Monda. Bonda. It is Marcy Bonda. Yourself or Marcy for the corner, and it was a try. The Drua. The Fijians, they're playing. Marcy. A masterclass. There is no better sight than seeing Marcy in full flight. two-man. Marcy got away from 1, 2. He's got a man on the inside as well as Rapura. And he is heading for the line. Can he get it down? Yes! On the line, it's a try. It's a sensational start for the Fijian Drua. And it's hit man Marcy. On the ball, on the head, second. Salawa standing, buying a little bit of time. Marcy has a run. He can go. Net the penalty, and it's right in front. Down the long end. They can try and push it through their hands. Over the top of goal. Joel Sessi. And he has got the lugger in the corner. Did he get it down? Just having a look upstairs with the TMO. Someone is all clear out of the officials. Malunga, what a start this will be if he can get it down before he goes out. It looks okay.
Yeah, all clear.
Darren Alungi, out the back. Valentini. Rabu Talmanda over the top of goals, and he's dropped it for Joel Sessi and the Fijian Drua.
That's a great lead up for the Fijian Drua. And I think you have to put it down to Isaiah Armstrong Ravula. They're playing in at a half-back.
On game, couple of metres out. Lamani waits. Out the back it goes. And then Marcy is over. Yosefo Marcy.
You're definitely not stopping yourself at Marcy that close to the line. When there's no line speed from the Melbourne Rebels.
A run from the big man. Now can they finish it off out wide? Here's Marcy. Got a ball away. Joel Sessi. And what about the start to the second half? Celestino. Rabu Talmanda.
Stop that Drua. How good, what a start.
Straight through goes Marcy. They stand off him. The bounce is good from Malunga. So to the Fijian Drua. The young man has got a double. Advantage is being played here as it's charged in. Robert Talmanda and Marcy. Nothing happy there, so it's a penalty. He's got the distance. What's the angle? It's gone. It's over.
From whole of my primary school, I've been playing soccer, and coming to secondary school, I started playing a little bit rugby. But my rugby started from when I was in grammar school. Under 18, I joined the under 18 Super Grammar to participate in the Deans. And after that, I joined the Tamandamu Sevens team, playing over around Fiji or the local sevens. From there, I was called to play in the sevens team. To be honest, my aim was to reach the, to play for the Fiji Sevens team. Can't believe that we've come this far. I think challenges I've been facing.
Out to Rundra. That was a beautiful short ball to Marcy from Rundra to score their second try.
Good volley. The clearance tonight. 11 test matches to his name. Sends it high. McKenzie. Good contest for the ball. But as the Fijian Drua through Yosefo Marcy. He's going to have too much pace. And he scores the opening try.
Just picks it up out of there. Scoop. And away he goes. He doesn't need much invitation to that try line.
Now Armstrong Ravula. They're going to score another. Yes, they are. Yosefo Marcy. He gets two.
How good was that?